This is a TR1 in action with the GPS 547 XS from Garmin. Completely autopilot. Right now we have a route set up to it's going to take us in that direction. So it should be coming to its turn right now. Keep the camera pointed right here, straight ahead, so you can see the turn as it does it automatically. And you back out, so you don't think I'm actually steering it. Yep, we're heading that direction now. It made the turn and it's taking us to the route we made, which is heading down this way straight ahead. And there's nobody driving. It's just going straight off the kicker engine that's connected to the TR1. And this thing will make accommodations. Right now I'm swaying the boat. You can see the engine. You can see the engine trying to accommodate for all that. Right now, let's see, I'm swinging the boat again. See it? It's a little bit tough because I'm the one filming it, but I shifted my weight over to the side now. Let me jump. You'll see it. I'm trying to shake the boat now. Yep, that's me shaking the boat. You see the little kicker engine just swaying side to side as it needs to do whatever it has to accommodate to keep me going in the straight direction. We go to the front, give a shot facing backwards so you can actually see the engine. It's really nice and calm out here today. It looks like it's about to storm. There's just kind of this mist all over, which is really nice because it's kept all the boats out. That's why you see the water so calm. And there's the back. One rod trolling, just because I figured might as well since this thing's keeping us going at a steady pace. Let me try to see if I can sway the boat from here. And so I'm used to anchor as a reference point to show you guys dead on, straight ahead. And so there's a turn coming up. And you'll see that turn. Still got a while before it makes it. But so far I can't really review it because I just now got it fixed. I bought the boat and there's a lot of things that were bad with it. Not the boat itself, but the actual system, the TR1 Gold system. And I didn't know how easy it was to fix. I always just kind of thought it'd be real expensive. So I took it to a shop and I paid their fee to have them send it to Garmin. And they went ahead and they replaced the main motor component of it. And I was actually really surprised at how inexpensive it was. I mean, I say it's relative. I mean, it was $320 to fix. But granted, the system's $2 grand. I figured, hey, $320, it's not bad, fee to go ahead and pay and have it fixed. And so when I did that, I realized that the shop that I took it to, they didn't really do anything themselves. In reality, all they did was they just called Garmin and had Garmin ship them a new unit for the swap out of my old one. And so they gave me the all the parts and everything that all the boxes and everything that I needed. And in the receipt, I saw the phone number for Garmin, so I figured, well, if they're just being the middleman, might as well. I'm pretty sure I could go ahead and do the same thing of what they're doing, just giving them a call and having them help me out. So ever since then, I've been calling Garmin, and I have to say they are absolutely awesome. Since I replaced that one component, there's other things I needed to change to have the unit completely functional. And since then, I've been on the phone with them. It took about a good month of changing parts and trying to figure out what was going on, and having to recalibrate the unit and redo the north heading on the TR1 Gold, and to have it communicate with the 547 XS. And so, like I said, it took a while, but I mean, this is where it's at right now. And aside from me paying the $320 to have that, the only other thing I replaced was the handheld component, which was really only $80 with the swap out. And that's, like I said, I called them, and I that's troubleshooting it, and then going in there and actually getting all the settings correct for all this stuff. And so it took a while, but this is it. It's working. I don't know if you noticed, but we're actually going straight ahead now. Back then, if you saw, it looked like we were coming straight to here. And look back, there's straight ahead, and there's the turn that we just came from. So yeah, overall, I'm very happy. It keeps making the turns as it needs to. I had it set to take me all the way back. I'm going really, really slow. I'm going dead slow just because I don't want to run into any issues and have it not make the turn, or I'm just testing it out. But so far, it's really, really good. Really, really reliable. It's actually making all the turns, and I could actually see myself downloading the software for the iPhone and setting up some tracks so that I actually just come out here and just upload them, and it'd make it a lot easier. But so far, I am extremely happy. I don't want to review the 547 XS because this is not what this is for. This is just to show you that I'm communicating with this from the 547 XS to the TR1 Gold. Piece that I had replaced from Garmin. That's when I took it to the shop. That's what they did. They just replaced this one part right here. But honestly, after speaking with Garmin, it's something that we would have been able to troubleshoot over the phone, and I could have just easily gone ahead and swapped it out. I don't know how much it would have cost me, but considering the fact that they do a trade-in for everything, even if it's in horrible condition. Before I sent this one in, you couldn't even see my last one. The screws in the back were so corroded, and at one point after it rained, I was holding it down like this, and you could just see just water just coming from inside of it. So it was pretty bad. I mean, it still functioned. It's just you know, after troubleshooting and all over the phone, it came down to this being the culprit. So I went ahead and I traded it in. And for Garmin to go ahead and take it like that, it was insanely freaking awesome. I think price something like that new, I want to say it was 180, I think. But with the swap out, me sending the old one and then sending me this one, it came out to only, I want to say 60 or 80 bucks, I can't remember. But yeah, there it is. Garmin TR1 Gold.